make a running vlog for you, because you're the best cameraman.
How you eat your orange. Oh, sexy. So organic. Toby, we have one problem.
You don't have cups?
Then,
no,
we don't have a bottle opener.
Ah, okay. That's the problem. That's okay.
How do we do that?
Trust me.
He warms up.
It's risky.
This one's got like a ball sack.
Yeah, right.
What you can do.
Uh-oh, I'm not so sure, Toby.
Is it bubbles in it?
Yeah, there's some bubbles inside, but it's not a natural wine, so it shouldn't explode.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think, I think go down to the kiosk and ask for a bottle.
You're so risk averse.
You know what I think then? You should go down to the kiosk.
I think it'll work.
It comes out slowly though.
That's fine.
And there's
Why are so many bubbles in there, dude? Is that sparkling wine?
It's not a sparkling wine actually, no.
You're creating one. that's how you make sparkling wine. It's by shoving the bottle against the wall.
Or should we just like...
it's already getting more in, right?
Probably we should just like put it inside, right?
Lovely.
There's one rule, it always has to be even.
Yeah, Toby, stand in front of the palm tree, man. Nothing to say. Just ask me a question.
Very, very special tree on Rhodes that only grows here.
Really? No, is it?
Yeah.
Corn Zaganaki.
So good. What's it actually?
It's a good question because I think it's like the name by the...
Oh, you're filming. Catch.
Oh
Yeah, catch the coffee.
Okay, throw it.
Yeah, so gonna go out for the last day in Rhodes. Sun is kind of out, chilling at the beach today, and just overall just having a good time. So yeah, it's getting later, so let's go.
True that. Kaffee Affogato und Filter Coffee mit Öki.
Doesn't work.
Hello. Dude, I'm leaving, eh? If I leave, you'll never see me again.
Okay.